All right, good evening, everybody. James here, and I thought I would do a daily recap on my small account challenge. I know it has been a few days since I have made a video, so let's just give you a quick recap of where we stand. Today marked day 35 on my small account options challenge. As you guys are aware, last month I actually was up to almost $800, but then I had a few bad trades on some earning plays, got greedy and knocked me down to about $300. So I stopped the earnings and decided let's start small, take some small gains. We're only trading with about 350 bucks, and work my way back up to the 500 starting balance and then go from there. So ever since I started doing that, I have been green. I think this is day 7 of ending in the green. So that's good. We're now sitting at, it looks like about $474 and change, up from like 350 bucks, something like that. Let me see where exactly we were at. When I started, we were down to $293. Now we are up over 470, almost 475. So that's good. So we're working our way up there. Like I said, I've been all green. I actually have placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades since I'd done this. Only one was a loser, but it was small enough that I was still green on that day. So not too bad. Today I did 3 trades. The first one I traded was on AMD, and that was a straight momentum trade. I played this one. Come here. What's going on? I'm trying to get the screen over here. Here we go. So I played this right at the open. Jumped on the momentum run. I got in about here, and it capped out. I didn't hit 10%. I let it pull back, as it always does, usually in the morning. And then it took off, and I think I hit 10% somewhere about here, and I was done with that trade. Just a quick momentum trade, one contract, in and out, made, well, you can't see it there. Let me pull up my screenshot so you can see where we were at. There we go. So I made, it was just $8, not a lot. It was a smaller trade, but that's where we were at. The next trade I entered was Starbucks, and I got in that one, what time? 6:57. That was my day trade. So Starbucks. If I can spell it right. 6:57. Looks like I actually got in on this trade. It was actually green. It broke the 20 day here, and I entered it hoping for the run up. It actually pulled back a little bit more, but that's okay. I didn't hit 10%, so I didn't close it out, and it turned around and went up. And this was a 2 contract trade, but I was actually going to try to write it out and close one out for 50%. And run the other one, but it just went too fast for me. I couldn't change my exit. So I got another 10% on that one, made quick $22. Not bad. So what was that, 22 and 8, $30 so for the day. I'll take it, I then went ahead and entered Bank of America. I actually entered that before Starbucks, for a swing trade. I was going to run this and I know we had resistance here at yesterday's high, and then we got obviously the resistance up here, but I'm not shooting for all the way up here. I was shooting for a quick 10% swing. We did have a little down, and then it came back up. I actually entered it, what time did I enter that one? 6:34. Holy moly, I entered that one earlier than I thought. So 634 in Bank of America. Right away, I entered that. That just seems odd, but okay. Thought I entered it much later in the day, but I guess not. So I entered it with the swing. You know, was going to hold it into tomorrow, and it kind of went against me a little bit. That's not right. I know I entered it later in the day. I don't know why it's saying I got filled at 6:34. Because I was down, which seems weird. Sorry guys, it's just mind-boggling. But I was down because I actually averaged down in it. So I must have got in at the peak here. But then I got down and I averaged down again. Am I on the wrong day? That might be why. I am. Excuse me for that. That explains a lot. So 6:34. I got in, yeah, kind of at the higher point of the day, and it went down. Wasn't too worried. I was only at the low of the day. I think I was down maybe 12%. So I wasn't going to worry too much about it. Again, I'm still kind of bullish on it. It is trading above the 200 day. Had a couple of green days, so assuming all goes well tomorrow, I'll be out anyways. I won't hold it longer than tomorrow. So, but I did average down when it started to go up, 12:30ish. So, one something. I averaged down. I bought one more contract just to lower my average. So that's where we stand with that. I plan on getting out of that with 10% sometime tomorrow. I won't let it go to a 20% loss. Hopefully it doesn't do that, but again, like I said, I am bullish. It is trading above the 200 on the daily, with a little bit of resistance, you know, at 29.50 roughly. So that's where we stand. As you can see, sitting quite well. I'm hoping tomorrow goes well on my day trades and can push me back over 500, and we can keep this going. So that is my recap for today. Like I said, day 7 of green. So let's just keep this run going. Thank you guys. Have a good night.